Forte Coupe, black on black, so mean. Sleekest little coupe, rolling on the island scene. 2.4 liter, 700 horses ready to run. 6-speed manual, pop the clutch, let's have some fun. 20 stamps on the Carfax, records clean and true. Heated seats for winter mornings, island rain can't touch you. Black Forte Coupe, 6-speed heart beating fast. Slip from the enamel to Tofino, make the good times last. Good on gas, full of sass, mule with the grin. Blonde 220 horses under the hood, let the weekend begin. Black Forte Coupe, roll your own, feel the thrill. Vancouver Island's coolest coupe, gives you all the chills. Bluetooth bumping tunes, climate keeping it cool. Heated seats on high when the winter starts to rule. Short throw shift to snicking, ribs climb to the moon. This black Kia Coupe's playing everybody's favorite tune. Drop it down to third on the old island highway. Feel that 2.4 sing. Nobody's passing me. Frenchy horses dancing under Vancouver Island lights. Talk to Adam at Berry, keys are warm and ready. Your black manual coupe is